Have you ever looked at a Chinese character and wondered, how do people even remember all of this? Hi everyone, today we're going to explore Chinese character radicals and the rules of stroke order. But first, have you ever noticed that some parts of a Chinese character repeat over and over again? That's not a coincidence. Those repeating parts are called radicals, and they are the building blocks of Chinese characters. Think of them as Lego pieces, small parts that give you clues about the meaning. For example, the radical 女 means woman. You'll see it in characters like ma, mom, 姐, sister, and 好, good. Another very common radical is 提手旁, the hand radical. It comes from the character 手 and shows up in action words like 打, hit, 找, look for, and 挥, push. And of course, the water radical, 三点水, 3 dots water, often appear in characters related to water, such as 河, river, and 洗, wash. So, radicals are important because they 1. Help us understand meaning, 2. Recognize and remember characters, and 3. In the usage of dictionaries to look up words. Did you know that there are 214 traditional radicals in the Kangxi dictionary? But modern dictionaries use around 189. Do not worry, you do not need to memorize them all at once. Start with the most common ones, and soon you'll see them everywhere. Now, let's talk about how to write characters correctly. Here's a question. What do you think would happen if we wrote a character in the wrong order? Well, our writing would look messy and would be a lot harder to recognize or remember the character. Stroke orders matters because 1. Characters look neater and clearer. 2. It helps you count strokes. 3. It helps build muscle memory so that the writing gets faster. And 4. It makes characters easier to remember. Some basic stroke order rules to remember are top to bottom, left to right, horizontal before vertical, outside before inside, and close the box last. For example, the character 我, I, or me, has several strokes. But if you follow the correct order, top to bottom, left to right, your writing will look clear and neat. So here's the key takeaway. Radicals are like the building blocks, little pieces to help us understand what a character means. Stroke order is like a rule book. It is the steps we follow to write characters neatly and correctly. When you combine them, you can understand, remember, and write characters much more easily. Now, here's a quick challenge for you. Look at these 3 characters on the screen. Can you spot the radicals in each one? Type your answers in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you understand radicals and stroke order, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel with your friends. 谢谢，再见。